Hello, English learners, welcome back. Most people get confused with this grammar rule, but today I'll make it super simple. So let's start. A necklace is plain gold, made of and made from. Which is correct option for this? We use made from when the original material changes form and is not clearly visible. In one line, you cannot see the original material. For example, paper is made from wood, and we use made of when the original material is still visible. You can still see or recognize it. This necklace is made of gold. You can touch, you can see the gold and recognize it as gold. Means the material has not lost its identity. Therefore, the correct answer should be her necklace is made of gold. Number 2. You blank have a license to drive a car. The options are should and must. Should is used for advice. Optional, not a strict rule. For example, you should drink more water. It is an advice. And must is used for strict rule, laws, something compulsory. It shows obligation given by law or authority. If you don't follow it, it is illegal. Having a license to driving, this is a compulsory requirement, a legal requirement. So for strict legal rules, we use must. You must have license to drive a car. And last is every student blank to complete it has or have. Here we have keyword every student. Every means each one separately, not a group together. So we think about one person at a time, which make it singular. Means every talk about each person or thing one by one, not a group together. Remember, the word every focuses on individual units, not on the total number. Even though many people or things are included, every looks at them one at a time. Has is a singular verb and have is a plural verb. So the correct answer is has because every treated as a singular. Every student has to complete it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow me.